Hello there, how are you? Hope you're fine. So today I'm making an easy beef recipe with a very thick gravy. It's very easy to make. All you need is your beef and a few fresh ingredients. So I'm going to first melt the butter in the pan, and then I'm going to place the beef in the pan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fry the beef until it is golden brown. Make sure the meat is clean, and I'm just going to keep on frying, like I said, until it's golden brown. So for the fresh ingredients, I used carrots, onions, garlic, green pepper, and tomatoes. So just let it cook. After losing that moisture, it will start frying. I'm just seasoning with some salt and black pepper, and then I'm just going to continue to fry it until it is golden brown. In case you're looking for beef recipes or any kinds of meat, I have so many of these videos on this channel, and I'm going to place them in the description box. I'll place the links in there so you can just go and check them out. So I've first added all the ingredients minus the tomatoes, fry them, and then add tomato paste, then add your fresh tomatoes, and just continue to fry until they are soft. Add some soy sauce to the beef, and then we're going to add in some paprika, beef curry powder, and then turmeric. Then I'll add in a little bit of salt, just like a pinch of salt, because there's already soy sauce. And then remember, we seasoned the meat, so you just stir it so that everything mixes up together. And then I'm going to add in some stock. I just boiled some vegetables and some bones, so it's what I'm using, and just let it cook. So as you can see, this is not enough, so I'm just going to add in more stock, and then I'll just let it cook on low heat. I'll just let it simmer until the meat is very soft. So that is the stock that I'm adding, because I want the meat really soft. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. It's simmering now. So this is the end result when you remove the cover. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes. And this is how it looks. The meat is very soft, finely cooked, and I'm just going to serve it. I'll have it with some rice. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. In case of any comments, write them down in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.